I have no idea where she is right now.
She's right here. See her in her turquoise?
Got my goggles off, so it's hard to see.
No, that wasn't her.
I think she's right by that yellow sign right up above it.
Huh.
Good old Peg coming down the mountain, coming in hot.
She is going fast.
Look at her go. Oh,
Now, she
just
shying
ate
for
it.
the camera, and that's the first time she's been less than perfect.
trying to scream it off. All right, got a yard sale going on. Oh, good guy Greg just passed up her skis. Oh, no, we got to help her.
Both skis are on. She's going to get back up. I'd like to get this on film.
All that talk about giving me a big head, right? Got a good guy Greg over here helping her.
Stephen, she's way out skiing me.
Really?
Yes. Way. I think they really like the skis.
Look at that. Look at that. She's back up. I'm not even up there helping her.
Have you ever tried cross-country skiing, Dad?
Nope.
It's aerobically rough. Or harder.
I'm having a hard enough time skiing like I am.
How you feeling?
How's your head now?